Okay, again. Last time we did all sounds of ringtones for phones and iPads. So text. Now we're doing the text. Everyone waits up to this. None. We just wake up to that sometime. Note. Aurora. Bamboo. Okay. Chord. Circles. Yeah, when my mom texted me long ago on my mom's old phone, she had that ringtone. This when she used to like text me, I used to get this note when she used to text me. When she texted me, this is the sound it made. But right now it's different. I wish it was back to that. But she got a new phone, an iPhone 16. She used to have to like the iPhone 12 or something like that. Complete. Hello. Okay, input. Keys. Popcorn. Ooh, yummy. Pulse. Synth. Classics. Alert. Anticipate. Oh, I thought it was gonna go whee. Excuse me. Excuse me again. Bell. Balloon. Calpeso. Chime. I don't like that. Choo choo. Diskette. Sounds like a cartoon. Ding. Not my thing. That was electronic. Not waking up to that. Somebody texted me and I hear this. I am going to scream at the top of my lungs until I break my vocal cords. Fanfare. Okay. Glass. That's if you tap the glass like ding, ding, with like a hammer. Not like that would break the glass, but if you go ding, ding, it's probably like that sound. Horn. That's not a horn. That's those little squishy things where you go doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Not like I thought it was a car horn where you go doo-doo-doo. Like beep, beep. Not like ladder. Sounds like in a cartoon where you go doo-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo up the ladder. Minuend. That's a ringtone. That should be for when you call someone. You get this should be a call ringtone. Okay, news flash. What is this? Neuer. Sherwood Forest. What is that? Okay, spell. I command the spell. POV, that'd be like, hold on, let me fix the camera. This thing is not there. There you go. Spell. That sounds weird. Suspense. You mean suspension? Swish. Swoosh. Telegraph. I'm going to scream at the top of my lungs. That's creepy. That was tiptoes. Okay, tree tone. There you go, tree tone. Sweet tweet. Typewriters. Did I just do the like button sound? Yeah, you should do that. Please like and okay. We will not go to default. Hold on. I like that one. Aurora. Okay. In the Ripples one. This was on the ringtones for phone. Yeah, I like that. Okay, closing. Okay. Hope you guys enjoyed. I am going to go to sleep soon. Not right now, but soon. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.